Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Johnny Datsun. Today I'm going to be sharing a little bit of the brake system that I'm doing on the 510 wagon, the 72. Someone asked me for some part numbers, so I'm going to help them out a little bit. So I'm just going to go through everything real quick and show them the part numbers and show them the setup, how quick it was. All right, not a big deal, nothing complicated. It's just that sometimes, you know, like I forgot to put the rubber piece on the back. This one, I will show you guys this one right here, and I had to take everything out again just because I forgot that rubber piece. So all right, so basically this is my 1972 that I'm working. My son is working on the 71, born in 1970. That's what it says on the tag. Now this one, the brake, I bought the whole kit. Let me share the part numbers with a friend. These are the brakes that I'm using right here, which it fits perfect, and I even put the drum on and it fits really nice and smooth. So this is what I'm using right now for the brakes, the shoes. The part number is this one right there. You can see it right there. Now I'm gonna be sharing all the springs and all the kit with the metal springs and all that. It came on this little bag. Try to lift it up like this, like that. If you guys can see it clear right there, that's the part number for the bag. And we got everything on, of course, you know, we got it here. And this is Rock Auto. That's where we bought all the kits. Now, one thing I would recommend, this part right here, which it holds the two shoes there, you got to take it out, clean it out like the way I did. You take it apart, you clean it out real nice, grease it up, and make sure you turn this bolt right here, and then that it works easily, and then you put it back. And also, I will clean all these parts, which, you know, you don't have to purchase those. They come in the car already, so you could clean them and have them greased up so they work properly. Okay, now the cylinders. This is the Dortmund cylinders. These are the ones that we order. I mean, they work perfect too. They come all in a bag with everything, with the rubbers, the metal holders and everything. This is the part number, of course, from China. That's how it is. You know, we got to buy it from there. So this is the part number right here, and it's also Dortmund. There you go. Let me see right there, in case you miss a number or something like that. There you go. That's it. That's that. These were the shoes that this wagon had, as you guys could see. Look at that. Those things are a mess. You can't blame the car. It has not been running for more than 20-30 years, who knows. And these are all the old cylinders that I got. You know, the only thing, don't be scared, these new cylinders, for some reason, the back, it comes, you see right here where it sits, it's more, you have more like a gap space in there. So you see it right there. Let me see, you can see right there you got an empty gap space. But I did them before. The new ones is just a little, you don't have that deep. It's not that deep, but it still works. It works fine. I guess when you press them, it moves in, but you won't lose it. Let me go through the whole car here and I show you guys. Look, you see right here, she sits right there, perfect, right over here. This one locks here. You got this, you got the springs here that hold both sides. You got the metal spring here. Everything is nice and tight. And this the back, I got this fitting here holding the emergency brake. Emergency brake goes in here. When you set up the brakes, make sure the square piece goes in here. Not a big deal. And on the bottom, let me just show you guys the bottom. This is what I'm talking about. Before you do anything, don't forget to put, when you put the cylinder, the first thing you should do when you make the setup, make sure you don't forget that rubber. I mean, it was crazy. After I'm done with everything, I forgot to put the rubber piece here. It's just to protect it from getting water or dirt or anything, you know. And then you just snap it in here. But it's an easy fix. There you go. Then the rest, you got to put the spring over here. You got a little tension spring here that holds there. You get the slide out so you can see better. See the spring right there? And of course, you got to put a pin there. So lock it up. And then I'll connect the lines, the rubber lines, and whatever I got to replace. The back is simple. But they're not too complicated to do these brakes. Not too complicated. Just a little confused right here because the new cylinders that they make now, you don't have a lot. It's not a deep gap here. So, but it would hold there, I guess, because I did it in my other cars and never had a problem. So, I guess this is the way they are. I guess they open when you press them when the system is working. So I guess they fall in place. Yeah. So again, this is the part number for this, for the cylinder. This is for the shoes. For the shoes right there. For the shoes, and you got what else? Oh, the bag with all the wiring and the springs and all that. This is for the wiring and spring. All right. So I hope this helps, and whoever's doing their brake, you know, these that were sitting here for a long time. I'm gonna save these because these are original, Japan. These are original, and I probably could get. My son was telling me that these probably work, but they sell a kit that you could rebuild these. So especially now, parts are getting hard to find. So we're just gonna save this one, clean it out a little bit, and just leave it in oil or something like that, and save them. You know. Yeah, that's about it. You know. Wagon is looking great. Soon I'm gonna start doing some body work on this. You know, it's all painted on the bottom already, all done. The rear end is all cleaned out. I cleaned it out really nice. So basically right now I'm just doing the brake because I gotta slap some tires here in case I gotta drop it down, and I didn't want to like just put the drum and put the tires in and leave it without no brakes. So get that out of the way. Me and Gene is working over there. He's doing an amazing job with my electric. Hopefully we should start that soon. Hopefully. So to the next one, and I hope the information helps to the friend. All right, to the next one. Ciao.